Uncle Leon, what's happening, brother? So you managed to make it to 70. That's remarkable. I'd like to start this video off by saying, happy birthday, sir. 70 years, it's a very long time. A lot of people hasn't been fortunate enough to make it that far, but you did. Hats off to you for making it this far. Yes, indeed. People would typically say, hope you live 70 more, but I'll say something different. I'd like you to hang around forever because we actually like you. I would sing you a song, but my throat is not quite built like that. I'll let the others do that for me. In case you don't see me again in this video, happy birthday to you once again. May you have a great, wonderful day, a great weekend, a great rest of your life. Why not? So with that being said, hope you stick around and enjoy the rest of this video. I'll step aside and let the others express themselves in their own individual ways. Some interesting than others, you know. Here we go.
Hey, Leon. Happy birthday, man. Welcome to my office. With a big family like mine, sometimes it's hard to find an available space. Sometimes I have to take a number just to use the bathroom. But anyway, happy birthday, Leon. This is more than just a celebration for us, the Butt sibling, the immediate Butt siblings, because just as Norman, brother number 3, had pointed out the last time that we met, you're actually the first to reach the age of 70 years old, which is an honor and a blessing. Leon, we always had fun, plenty good times, you know, growing up. All I remember was good, clean, fun, and that's what I'm about even today. I got a little something for you, Leon. It's a little bit different. I know you probably wasn't expecting anything like this, but it just came to me, so I said, hey, I'll go for it. Here we go. No 3 points today. I just came to simply say happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Number 1, big brother, the cool LJ, and there is no other. Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. You always kept it real. Now I just came to express just how I feel. Leon, I love you, and I thank God for blessing me with a brother like you. Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Different. Love you, man.
Hello, Uncle Leon. Shauna here. I am wishing you a very, very, very wonderful 70th birthday. Happy birthday. I love you, and I hope you enjoy your festivities. Good day.
What's going on, LDBJ? Man, I remember vividly May 25th, 1951, when you were born. Wait a minute. That's a lie. Because you're 6 years older than me. Anyhow, retake. I do remember, no, don't remember that one neither. I remember, nope, don't remember that neither. Got one. And I remember my first day of kindergarten. You and your big sister. First of all, you guys know that if you look at me hard, I'm gonna cry. My first day of kindergarten, I look up at the door and you and Clarice standing up there, smiling, chuckling, and pointing fingers at me. And of course, I started crying. Never forget that one, older brother. Hey man, glad to be a part of the celebration, of course. Wishing you 70 more. Oh, I gotta wish me more too, though, right? Okay. Anyhow, everybody, let's enjoy.
Hey Leon, not big on taking pictures. Just don't look good enough for your special day. So I just want to let you know, I'm glad that I'm reconnecting with my brother. I am so thankful and proud to be able to see all of you again. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see Hattie. And man, I know your kids are grown. Please have a special and a wonderful day on your birthday. And thank God that God gave you grace and mercy just to see another year. We all will be back together someday in the near future. So, again, have a happy birthday. I don't know what else to say except I love you and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, happy birthday, big brother. Wrote a song about it. Want to hear it? Go something like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leon. Happy birthday to oh, sorry about it, to you and many more.
So, I was told that I need to sing a selection for your birthday, so bear with me. Happy birthday. Just kidding. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. I was just telling my dad, I was like, who makes 70? I was like, Leon? He don't look like he's 70 years old. You look good, Uncle. Happy birthday. I wish you many more. Be blessed. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hey, just wishing you a happy birthday and many more. Blessings to everybody. See you all when I see you. Bye-bye.
Hello, 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 everyone. Today is a special day because this is the day that we're celebrating my oldest brother, Leon Daniel Butts Jr. 70th birthday. It is an honor as well as a pleasure for me to be present to be able to celebrate my oldest brother's birthday. And I want to do something a little special, something I haven't done in probably never before, ever before. So I'm going to do a little something. I got like a little song that I want to sing that's down in my Shandong, whatever the word is. You know what I'm talking about. So anyway, the song, it goes a little something like this. Because the Lord is our shepherd, we have everything we need. He lets us rest on a meadow's grass, and He leads us beside the quiet stream. He restores our failing health, and He helps us to do what loves Him the most. That's why we're safe. Hey, that's why we're safe. That's why we're safe. We're safe in His arms. Woo! Hallelujah. Thank God. Leon, I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. You continue to have 70 more birthdays. How about that? Let's do 70. Okay, 70 more awesome birthday here on this earth. To God be the glory. Bless you, and I love you. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.
Hey, Uncle Leon, V here to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have a good day and I love you. Enjoy.
Hello, it is your niece, Vicky. Just want to say happy 70th birthday. Hopefully you enjoy your special day.
This is WBNB 2021 breaking news. Uncle Leon has turned 70 years old and don't look a day past Vietnam. I mean, the dinosaurs era. But for real though, happy birthday, Uncle Leon. Happy 70th birthday. And have many, many more beautiful years to come.
Someone just turned 70. Can you believe that? Roger that.